from Alex Bonham. Is it possible to move to a reusable glass bottle system to reduce plastic pollution in the oceans and waterways? Are we going to go back
back to the beginning, back to the future? The whole plastics issue is actually, it's really hit the mainstream, hasn't it? Everybody's talking about it. You're seeing the pictures on the news about these big plastic floating bergs in the middle of the ocean, and even going to the local beach. People are starting to see the plastics hitting us. So, yeah, that's very much in the front of mind in New Zealand now. And look, at Fonterra, we do packaging innovation. We're always looking at, how our products are, how they're packaged, how they're transported, and what that looks like. And they have looked at glass, and because we've been asked this question quite a bit, I think, from what I've heard. But glass is actually, the key things that we're looking for is really about, we're looking for food safety. So we need to have really, safety is the top of the game for us. And those bottles that go round and round and round and get reused, they can start to chip, and there can be little bits of glass that might get into the product. And so that food safety thing for us is a bit of the
integrity of it so much.
Yeah, is a worry for us. And then glass is really heavy. And so transporting it actually probably creates more carbon emissions, and so it's quite complicated. It's not about let's just go back to glass. And in New Zealand, I think that to do that system, all the glass would have to come to Auckland, and so you're transporting empty bottles across the country. So look, our team, like I said, we've got packaging teams in Fonterra, and they're really looking at what the future of packaging looks like for our products. And just like everybody else, we're worried about the plastics issue that everyone is globally as well.
So really it's going to be around probably the innovation of packaging and some new form of plastic, which presumably is going to biodegrade better over time. That's
right, and it's, again, the New Zealand government is looking at this as well. Minister Sage she's right on top of the recycling issues that we're having in New Zealand, because we used to send our recycling to China and they've closed their doors, etc. So what we do in New Zealand now and the decisions that we make over the next few years is really critical in this waste space for us.